Let's make banana cake.
Good evening, foodies. Today in Maria's kitchen we're going to make banana cake. 200 millilitres of buttermilk. So if you don't have buttermilk, I will show you a quick and easy way to make it. So you get your milk, get a lemon, but I've only got lime, so I'm hoping this works. And squeeze your lemon in, and this will turn your milk into buttermilk. Just let it sit for about 10 minutes. I'll do this first to let that do its magic. Give it a good stir. So right now it looks like normal milk. And then in your bowl, you'll need 2 very ripe bananas. I'm going to go in to your bowl and get right like this. Believe it or not, this is where all the goodness is. I'm going to smash these. So it's a good way to get all your aggression out. Oh, don't want the skin in there, that's for sure. Here's another good smashing. Maybe 200 grams of plain flour. I'm going to sift it. In Cyprus we get the village flour, which is the traditional flour. Mixy. And to that we're going to add 1.5 ounce of, you can add bran, which is the traditional way, but I use flaxseed. So I'm going to add flaxseed in there, 1.5 ounce of flaxseed. I have made it with bran. It works either way. Just one time I didn't have bran and I thought, oh, I've got flaxseed, I'll use that. And flaxseed's healthier anyway. So it's now looking like this, looking a little bit brown. So that we're going to add 3 ounce of soft brown sugar. So to that we're going to add 2 eggs. A good mix. So it's mixing the eggs. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Heat teaspoon in. 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. Half a teaspoon. You can use allspice. I'm using cinnamon. Hey, okay, maybe that was too much cinnamon. You can never have enough cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, like so. 2.5 tablespoons of groundnut oil. So I've got almond oil, which I actually use for my salves, but it's food grade. So 2.5 tablespoons of groundnut oil. That I mix in. So you can add chocolate chips to this. I've added chocolate chips before, but I don't have any in. You can add whatever you want really. You can add fruit, like I add cranberries to it sometimes. Today I'm just making it with banana and peanut butter. So you can see it's starting to come together now. It is a very loose mix, by the way. So this is whole earth peanut butter, smooth peanut butter. So I'm going to add probably about 2 tablespoons in. Let's mix that in. That might need a little bit more. It has thickened a little bit. Oh, I've got lemon juice in here. So I'm going to put some lemon juice in it to try and get it to activate.
10 minutes later.
Okay, so I don't know if you can tell on camera, but that's thickened nicely now. So you see it's going to look like this now. So So you've got a lightly greased pan. You want to heat your oven up to gas mark for 180 electric. You can also use greaseproof paper, but I would also grease that as well. And that goes in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Here we have it, straight out of the oven. Look at that. There we have it. It's beautiful. Let's have a taste test, shall we? Look how moist it is. It's soft and chewy because of the peanut butter and crispy on the top. Yum yum. Give it a go. Beautiful.